I think I have a food baby. I have a food baby. Good morning, and today we're going to be doing another vlog. Okay, so today's vlog, I'm basically going to film everything I can of whatever we're gonna do today, because today is 4th of July. So happy 4th of July to all of you. Anyways, so today we have a couple plans to do stuff. We are gonna go to Walmart. Yeah, so fun, right? We're gonna go to Walmart. We are gonna go to the pool today, and at nighttime we are probably gonna go to Ocean City. Oh yeah, because I haven't told you guys, we are in Jersey, so everything is legal in New Jersey. Hamilton referenced. Okay, so okay, so recap. Smaller recap of all of what we have done. I'm supposed to have uploaded all these vlogs already, but if you haven't seen them, I'm gonna explain it to you. We came out of Florida and we've been to Georgia, we've been to Virginia, we've been to South Carolina, North Carolina, and now we're in Jersey, like I've said already. I haven't really uploaded anything about Jersey because yeah, I haven't we haven't done much in Jersey. So basically we're staying in Jersey, but we go to New York. Like one day we do, one day we don't, like that type of thing. And since I'm gonna be staying in New York for a month, I really haven't like vlogged. But if you want to see the small clips, I'll roll them out now. So we've been to the subway, we've been to the Empire State Building, we've been to the Statue of Liberty, we've been, I don't even know where we've been. We've been to Junior Seed a couple times, well 2 times, and it was amazing. So yeah, let's go to the pool. This is the most uncomfortably warm pool I've ever been to. It's disgusting. I'm not kidding. Like, it's even colder out of the pool than inside of it. It's horrifying. Finally gonna eat food. Give me food and I will love you forever. Not really, but yes. I ate too much. Food overload. I think I have a food baby. I have a food baby. Yep. So I don't know what to say because I don't know. Wait, yeah, I have to tell you guys, we're gonna go to this boat thing, see fireworks and stuff. So I'll be filming that, I guess, because I don't know what else to film. And yeah, so let's keep on with this weird vlog. We're too late for the fireworks, so we're in Walmart now. So fun, right? For 4th of July?